Telling the folks that I'm back again. I am installing this pressure sensor to call the interest on a water tank. Now here's the pump for you. What I am trying to do is I have an Eaton contactor and a 480 to a 120 volt transformer. And what my goal is, I'm bringing 120 in to the transducer. I'm bringing 120 in to the transducer. And when the transducer light, or when the pump runs out of water, it's gonna disconnect this starter and turn this light on. What it's gonna do is gonna have power to this starter to turn that motor off. And that's as simple as it gets, fellas. And I'm gonna run my 480 from when I bring it in here. That's what I'm gonna power up my transformer with right there. So, I mean, any questions, just comment below. But this is simple as it gets. You can't get no simple as this. I've seen a lot of videos where it's so difficult. Now, I really wouldn't have needed that right there if I'd have ran 120 in there, but then I'd have had 2 circuits in it. I already got 480, so why not use what I got? You know what I'm saying? And here's the light. Just a regular light. Thank you, folks, and y'all have a blessed day.